Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. I posted a recipe for a strawberry filled bread toast. I'm using the remaining part of the bread to make this healthy egg and vegetable sandwich. I've taken 10 bread pieces. The other ingredients we need for this recipe are red, yellow and green capsicum, 1 cup each, spinach 2 cups, 4 eggs, half cup grated cheese, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, butter 3 tablespoons and salt as needed. Heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add the chopped capsicum and add salt as needed and saute for about 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Let's remove the capsicum from the pan. In a separate bowl, add all the eggs, turmeric powder, pepper powder and salt as needed and mix it well. I'm using the same pan to make the bread sandwich. Once the pan is heated, add butter and place the bread pieces. Since I'm using a small pan, I'm making 2 sandwiches at a time. Add egg to the middle part of the bread. Since we are using vegetables, do not overfill. Let's cover the pan and cook on low flame. Egg is almost cooked. At this stage, we can add capsicum, spinach and cheese. Once we are done adding all the ingredients, we can cover the pan and cook on low flame until the cheese melts. We can remove from the pan now. Egg, vegetable and cheese sandwich is ready. This is a very healthy recipe. Please try this and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.